Okay, we're going to be talking about improper fractions. What are improper fractions? Well, improper fractions are fractions that represent a larger amount than what is in the group. Okay? Okay, it looks like this. If I were to have, let's say, a circle. There we go. I don't know what that was. And I were to say something like, I were to split it into two halves. And instead of saying, okay, that's 2 out of 2, I were to say something like 3 over 2. I only have 2 halves, but I'm asking to get 3. Well, I can color in this one, and I can color in this one, but that's only 2 out of 2. To get a third one, I have to go like that. But that's not part of the group. So what we would do here instead is that we would say, okay, well, if you have an improper fraction like this, that says more than what is in the group, instead of writing it 3 over 2, we would say, well, we have one colored in group, circle, and then half of a colored in circle. Half of a colored in circle. This is a full circle, okay? 1 out of 2 right here. And this would be the proper way to write it. We'd write 1 and 1 over 2 instead of 3 over 2. Because if we say 3 over 2, that's improper. We can't have 3 if out of 2. You can't have 3 things if you only have 2 things. It's not possible. You can't color in 3 if you only have 2 sides. But you can say, okay, well, I have one circle. I colored in one circle, and then I colored in another half of a circle. So instead of saying 3 over 2, we would say 1 over 1 and 1 over 2. 1 and 1/2. Like this. This is equal to, this. This is equal to this. And this is an improper fraction. So an improper fraction is a fraction that represents more than what the group contains. And instead of writing it like that as a fraction, we write it as a mixed number. Okay, another example of an improper fraction, it would be like 4 out of 3. I would have a circle, split it into 3 sections. I can only color in 3 out of 3. There's no 4. I would have to make another section to add 4. And that'd be it. So yes, this would be an improper fraction. Because it's more, the numerator is more than the denominator. If it's more, the numerator is more than the denominator, that is an improper fraction. Bye and stay in school.